Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, y'all know how we can't use the water from our hydrant here, from our faucet. So I bought me a filter. Okay, and I'm going to unbox it now. It only took 2 days to get here, y'all. Once I decided which one I wanted, I decided to get the one that Nicole uses in Mexico. I said, if it can filter out their water, it can surely filter mine. So, and I got this from Amazon. This is a letter opener, stiletto. Come on now. I'm gonna unbox it. Okay. It's in another box. So let me put this on the floor. This is big and bulky. It weighs about 33 pounds. All right. Got on one of Nicole's merch shirts. It says Modest Goddess. It says fragile. And that side up. Of course it's down. And I hope the man, I hope he was gentle handling it. And we'll soon find out. You know what? Well, this side up and it was facing down. Okay, dokie. So it's called the EcoFiltro. EcoFiltro. So I did read all the reviews. So it's widely used in Mexico and Guatemala and places like that. And the words on here are Spanish. So this is what it looks like. It's a black thing with a spigot, and it has like a flower pot thing that fits inside it, and that's what actually filters the water. Like a clay flower pot. Don't need no electricity. Always talking about I make more garbage. Okay. Put this on the floor too so I can lift it out of here. Packaged up nicely. Okay. That's the lid. Styrofoam. A stick piece. I have stopped trying to save everything, y'all. This is the flower pot thing. That's the actual filter. And here's the He said this is made out of pewter and ceramic. instructions. I don't see any right now. Nicole has a white one. Okay, the ceramic inside. And they say this is made out of pewter. I don't know. Okay, so sit my tail down. Take this off. Well, there's the instructions. Oh, that's a magnet. So you need to change the filter every 2 years. And this clay flower pot is the actual filter. I'll read that later. So we pack this up nicely. Make sure no cracks. What does this say? Can't read it. It's just like a flower pot. So, and it has layers in here. A layer of carbon charcoal, a layer of silver, colloidal silver, and a layer of something else to filter the water. Is that a crack? No. Okay. Stand up again. This is what you do. Put that in there. Let me dump. There's some clay in here. Okay. Put that in there. I just did that with the clay pot. I'm going to clean the inside of this, and I'm going to, you say you don't have to rinse that out. This is what it looks like. Bought a stand for it. This is a plant stand. Yeah, that fits nicely. So this will hold 7 gallons of water. So this is what it looks like. I wanted this lifted just enough so I can use the spigot. So I already cleared off a space for it in my family room. I'm gonna put it on one of my end tables in the family room. That's what it looks like. EcoFiltro water filtering system. I put this to protect the wood, because anytime you're handling water, you know something's gonna drip. This is one of these kitchen mats that you put your dishes on, or your dish rack. And I like this design. So they say the first few times that you use it, pour out the water, because it's going to taste like mud until it gets the filtering the way it's supposed to. And one review I saw, the man said he actually liked the earthy taste of the water. Nikki said it took her about 5 or 6 times letting this run through before the water started tasting good. So we gonna see. And it's from Amazon, and they do have free returns. So if it don't work, guess what? They're getting it back. But so far, I like it. I like the way it looks. I'm gonna decorate this, y'all. Yeah. And it'll hold 7 gallons of water at a time. And what else? And 7 gallons of water weighs about 60 pounds. So I got this plant stand that will hold up to 300 pounds. I want to make sure it'll hold this filled with water. So this is my filter system that they use in Mexico. So I know our water ain't as bad as the Mexico water, because you can't even brush your teeth with that water. So we're gonna see. So I'm gonna fill it up. I'm gonna clean this first, because the water is gonna, you pour the water into the clay pot, and then, you know, clay pots are very porous, unglazed clay pots, porous. So the water is gonna seep through the walls of this clay pot and filter down into this container. So that's why I got to clean this out. So we gonna see. So I'm gonna place it where it's gonna be, and then I'll start filling it up. Okay. So I just had to show y'all my EcoFiltro filter. Don't need no electricity. Got to plug nothing in. Don't need no pump. Where's the instructions? I think it's a 2-year guarantee. Oh. They tell you about the maintenance on here. Use and maintenance. First time in every 6 months. Well, I ain't gonna read all that. Never expose it to sunlight. Handle the filter unit with clean hands and forearms. Always keep your filter unit filled with water. Do not introduce any type of solids into the filter unit. Do not use soap or chemicals to wash your filter unit. I'm not. And it tells you to clean the inside of this once every 6 months with water, with distilled water and a clean cloth. Never use soap or another substance than water. Just use water to clean it with, and a clean cloth. Now it's telling me to wash this with soap and water, but don't wash the filter, the clay pot, with soap. Okay. Plastic. Ain't no plastic on here. And it's supposed to be a stainless steel spigot. It's here. It's supposed to be. Okay. Every 2 years or 15,000 liters, you have to change that clay pot. So that's actually the filter. All right. I think I'm gonna like it. Oh, and they got different designs. I like this pewter one, hammered. Oh, what's that, copper? Look at that copper. It's pretty. But I didn't need all that. Nikki got the white one. I have seen some with designs on it on the YouTube videos. And the first video I watched, it was all in Spanish. And I could make out some words, but no, it didn't help me that much. The little Spanish I'm learning, no, I ain't ready for that yet. So, I want to thank you for watching this unboxing of the EcoFiltro water filtering system. Well, it give me a white top. I mean, knob to the top. It should have been black too. Stupid. Is this one white on here? Yes. Okay, like I said, it holds 7 gallons of water at a time. Okay. Y'all know me, I got to lower this a little bit. Okay, I'm gone for real now. Bye. Okay, this is where I got this sitting in my little rainforest area in my family room. That's what I call the rainforest. Okay, all kind of doodads up in here, so it's gonna sit right on this table. Okay, I think it'll be fine. And this stand lifts it just enough for me to use it. Okay, it could have been a little higher, but I'll stick with this.